This is a review of the OEM Mustang headlights for the 1999 to 2004 Ford Mustangs. I absolutely love these taillights. My original taillights, they actually went out and I was pretty much looking for a new pair until I saw these ones. These ones are the exact OEM direct fit for the OEM for the 1999 to 2004 Ford Mustang. So if you own those years, this will definitely fit. I absolutely love it. You can see that it has a shade of pretty much like for safety purposes. It has the reflective, so it's reflective. And at night, if there's some car or headlight pops up, it's a reflective to let you know that there's a car. And it lights up pretty good and new. It looks exactly like what you get from the OEM. You can see that it also has a white halogen bulb as well too. So when you're reversing, it also lights up and illuminates as well too. I would highly recommend the 1999 to 2004 Ford Mustang tail lights because these ones are the OEM and the exact direct fit, and I haven't had any issues so far. I would highly recommend these tail lights if you are looking for a new set of tail lights or a replacement set. Then these are probably one of the best ones.